All right, so today we're talking exhaust hangers. All right, so before we talk exhaust hangers, I want to tell you a little bit about this 1949 chassis that I'm standing in front of. It covers 1948 to 1952, and most of the stuff we do around here is actually low to the ground because that's what most people like. Low is cool, right? Well, in this case, high is going to be cool. This guy actually wanted kind of a 1949 pickup truck that he had in incredible shape, but he wanted to be like a regular pickup truck, right? So if I think of my truck, it's a 2017 Ford F-250 diesel. Got a little leveling kit on it, a little bigger wheels and tires, right? Because that's cool. Well, this guy wanted the exact same thing. He wanted to pull a trailer, so we got a trailer hitch on it, and we've got airbags on it and all kinds of stuff to make this work so he can drive it and pull his race car. So super cool. But anyway, so back to the exhaust hangers. We've got an exhaust hanger that we have right here, and it's very simple. Let's be honest, when you're welding full stainless steel exhaust, trying to come up with a hanger that will work, that's not super expensive, is not the easiest thing to find. So we sell a ton of these, and basically all you're getting right here is a stainless steel piece cut, and then we got two different versions of them. We got some that can handle a lot more temperature because we got a little billet a grommet and a little billet sleeves in here, and then you got a stainless steel bolt that goes right in here, and then you got a nylock, right? And so then you would weld this on. You can bend it based on how you're trying to hold it, and then you can attach it right there. Now, there's lots of other expensive products out there that work great too. Like, this is not the solve everything. This is just a great little affordable product. But again, if you want something more high-end, go check out Deeds Engineering. He makes a really incredible product, very expensive, but it's super cool. So if you got that super ultra high-end build, you might want to check that out. But if you're just trying to do something maybe a little bit more budget-minded, you don't need to put that kind of money into it, you're not building a $1 million vehicle, then these actually work out pretty cool too. So again, you can see this weld right here. We TIG weld everything on here in our shop. So stainless steel here, stainless steel here, we TIG it there, and so hopefully it doesn't rust because it's all stainless. And so of course everything we do when we're welding our stainless steel exhaust system, we purge everything and try to do a really good job and when we do it. And so always remember to do that. If you don't, you might fail, right? That's what they say, but I don't know that I've ever seen that happen. Anyways, and so we got different sizes. So you're gonna get this radius here. You can choose between a 2.5 inch radius or 3 inch radius. And so you can get that to fit really nice around your pipe, right? So just like that. And then we also have different lengths. It's like 1.25 inches, 2.5, and 3 inches or something like that. And we even have one that's actually just a straight piece as well if you need a different application. So you can buy it all different kinds of quantities on the website, and that's it. It's not really, that incredible product, but it's a very useful product. We searched high and low for something that would be useful for us, and we ended up just kind of making our own stuff so we could just have them in stock. They're on the shelf, go grab them, put them on, and they're pretty reasonable. So with that, keep following us, subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell, you'll get reminders. Like us, comment down below if you have any questions. We'll definitely try to help you out, especially on any of the other videos. You can email info@Fender Garage, and we'll try to help you out there as well. So there's going to be links in the video that you can find this product on our website, and definitely follow us on Instagram, Facebook, our new TikTok. We have a new TikTok, right? And follow us there. And then every Tuesday, be sure to follow. You're going to have a new video to follow along with us on how to build trucks, how to do a coyote swap, any kind of little application that we're doing here. We'll try to help you out as you do it yourself in your own garage. Thanks.